Took me a flight to the beach, made them suit on with a me. I do whatever I please, I do whatever I think of. I got a Rex on me, he too attached to me. Might put him on, it's easy, you know I gotta do it.
Hey Diamonds, it's Jamequa Stevens and welcome to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you 2 books that I self-published and are now available on Amazon. I'll leave the link in the description box below. So when I was creating these 2 books, I wanted to create something that would be beneficial to a new business owner. So I have my first book, which is Believe, and it is an adult coloring book for entrepreneurs. It has a lot of benefits. One of the benefits is that it relieves stress and anxiety. In addition to that, it has a lot of other benefits like improving motor skills and memory. Coloring also promotes mindfulness and quietness, which is a plus because sometimes as business owners, we have a lot of stuff going on throughout the day and we need something that will relax us, calm us down, help us to take a breather throughout the day. And my second one is a diamond budget tracker. So the diamond budget tracker helps you allocate your money every month. It's undated, so you can start your financial journey at any point in time throughout the year. So I did that on purpose because I wanted it to not feel like rushed or, oh, I started late. So you can literally start your financial journey at any time. So I'll be going live on Instagram showing you all like some of the pages. Thank you all for watching this video. Again, I'll leave the links in the description box below and I'll talk to you all later. Bye.